Hold on. Gotta rehydrate my throat from talking so much. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So y'all probably gonna be big mad for all the people that just seem to hate Fashion Nova for whatever reason. We got another Fashion Nova try on haul because like I said, I love them. Like, I really tried today to shop at another store, and it all just came back to Fashion Nova. I'm like, the stores, they don't be hitting it. They don't be having the trends. They don't be having the sizes in stock. They just don't be having it. They don't have it. So I had to go to my fave babes over at Fashion Nova. So we got some goodies to show you. So if you would like to see what all I got, just keep on watching.
Anastasia for these bitch ass hoes. My highlights fucking poppin'.
All right, so spring is here. Spring is here, and it is dear. I hope it stays. Look, spring, please don't get scared away for whatever reason. Winter, you've got to chill. You had your time. We'll see you next year, okay? We'll see you. Spring is here, so we have some bright, cute clothes that can transition you into summer. You can layer them now for spring, put on a jacket, little cardigan, whatever you want to do, kimonos and all that good stuff. That will also transition into spring or summer attire. So let's just start kicking it off. What do I want to show first? I guess we'll just pick up and go. So this is probably going to blend in with this background, but we got shorts. Like I said in my last Fashion Nova haul, biker shorts are a thick girl's best friend. Like, you get the comfort of shorts without the discomfort of your thighs sticking together. So just long enough. We have some, what are these, like neoprene, whatever, neon orange biker shorts. Like, they're so stretchy, so stretchy. I freaking love them. They just smooth you out because it is like it's kind of like a workout clothes material. So it's really stretchy and smooths you out. Doesn't give you that much sucking in, but it will definitely smooth you out. These are called the Curves for Days biker shorts. They are in a size 1X and they were $19.99. But you know, like, I'll list prices, but Fashion Nova literally always has a coupon code. And I have a coupon code that I'll drop in the description and somewhere around these parts. So go ahead and use that when you shop at Fashion Nova for the folks that aren't big mad, and take my tips on how to shop with them, because you know, you will win, you will slay. Fashion Nova will save the day, okay? You just gotta order in advance. Just saying. I just think they're really easy. Like, I like comfortable clothes that you can style up or style down, however you want to do it, and they're just so bright. And you know, I feel like plus size girls, they try to steer away from the like bright colors and bold prints, and I'm just like, why are you trying to be in the background? Like, baby girl, you're beautiful, stand out. Next item we have is this peach bodysuit with the little cute buckle detail strap. It's just like regular cotton. It's rib knit. I don't know if you can tell on screen, but it's light rib knit, not like deep set in rib knit. It's gonna keep, you know, changing color because I want you to see the items, you know, flat and then on me as well. But it has these adjustable straps so you can make it shorter to, you know, fit you, sit however low you would like it to go. And then it has the regular snap closure in the bottom. It has good stretch, like I said, really comfy, very breathable, just like a regular cotton t-shirt material. Easy to wear with jeans, wear it with skirts, mix and match. That one I feel like is more of a casual piece. I wouldn't really try to dress that up, but I mean, I guess you could, but I would keep it more casual because it really just looks like a cute little tank top with a little buckle detail on the straps. So next, you know, we're, like I said, getting ready for summer. I'm trying to be on someone's beach, at someone's resort, you know, ass out, titties out, suns out, buns out, all that good stuff. So we got these good old chaps. So it has this little super stretchy waist belt, and then the chaps, flowy chaps that go on your thigh. This is like the sexiest cover-up situation. It's a sheer mesh peach color, and you wear it with a swimsuit. Like I said, swimsuit cover up. You can wear it with a one piece. You can wear it with 2 pieces, and it really just looks like some cute little pants, and you have little booty out, little cheeks. So if you have cheeky swimsuits, this is going to be really cute. It's going to accentuate your waist. It holds you in. You can wear like as low or as high. And for this, I actually got it in an extra large. I do believe this comes in plus size as well, but the stretch is really good and the pant part is really wide. So this is an extra large, but ooh, I just got me all out of the light. Sorry. The leg part I was really surprised. Well, I wasn't really surprised. I was happy about because it is so large. So I know I'm gonna double check. I'll put it in the description. I'll put the link down there. I do think it comes in plus size though. So from all my girls with the thick thighs, thick legs in general, you have space in these. Like, cause I have hams, okay? I got them ham hocks and I still have hella space. They're not like leggings on me, which is what I didn't want. I want them to be like flowy and loose and like carefree kind of feeling, and that's exactly what they do. Moving on. So next we have a romper, and I haven't gotten a romper in so long. I just haven't gravitated towards them, but Fashion Nova has this like Motorsport vibes going on, and I'm feeling all of it. I actually have another piece on the way. Anyway, so we have this romper, this Motorsport. This is the vibes it gives me. Motorsport vibes, and it's has this royal blue and orange detail, black, color black situation up here, solid black on the bottom with little mesh inserts on the thigh, biker short length. This one is I thought it was going to be like the orange shorts. I thought it was going to be like a neoprene material, neoprene material, but it's cotton. It's regular cotton. It's still really comfortable. It's called the aerodynamic color black romper, and this is in a size extra large. They have several different styles. They have a short, it zips all the way up, short sleeve version. I believe they have a pants version. They have different color combinations, but it all gives the Motorsport vibes. So I'm extremely excited to wear this. It was a little tighter than I normally would like, but again, I thought it was the neoprene material, so I thought it was gonna be shiny. I don't know why I thought that on the website. I just didn't zoom into the girl and look at her. But now that I see it on the website, it definitely looks like the material that it is. Not that it's bad or anything. It's just not what I expected. It has this front zipper that goes all the way down, so you can easily get in and out of it, you know, quick. Because, you know, that'd be my thing with romper. Don't let me have no romper on and try to be drinking. You setting yourself up for the okie doke. You're setting yourself up. Now, bodysuits is fine. Pull that thing to the side. But rompers, bro, you have to get naked. You got to get naked. So rompers and drinking don't really mix. So we're going to see how this goes. Next, the final pieces are, of course, my faves. And y'all know what my faves are. Matching 2-piece sets. Oh my God. So the first one, I bought this because I love dresses and all, but I love pants more. And basically this 2-piece set is the like top pants version of a sundress. Y'all know sundress season, maxi dress season, where you just let that thing loose and it just be clapping in the wind and feeling the breeze and all of that. That's what this set is, but a pants version. So we have this, what is this called? This is called the Right On tie-dye set. It's in a size extra large. I was extremely surprised that it actually fit. I really took a risk. I just keep trying to go down in sizes, seeing where my body's at right now, because y'all know I've been on this weight loss journey. So I just be trying to see where the body's at. You know, you gotta take a chance. I really still think I'm truly a 1X, but there are some extra large items that I can fit, and this was one. But this one has like ridiculous stretch, okay? Stupid stretch. And I love that this has a stupid amount of stretch, but you don't lose your print. Like, it doesn't fade out. It's still opaque, okay? Love that. So you got the bell bottom pants with this tie-dye, red, orange, black, gray tie-dye situation. The only thing that I don't like about the pants is that the waistband is not completely enclosed, so this flips up on me. I'll probably just, you know, use my sewing machine. I don't think a black thread would be too distracting if I just went all the way across it. I just want this to stay down, and it doesn't. But that's with anything like this that's not completely enclosed. That just irks my soul. So that's the only thing I don't like about these pants. But all the way throughout the pants, you have bomb stretch, and I'm loving this leg. The leg with some sandals, bomb. And what's even more cute is the top. It's a single shoulder strap, and even with me and my big bosoms, it covers the girls up. It's lower in the back, so you can cover some back rolls, you know, depending on how far down they go. You do have some coverage. I don't think I really need to wear a bra with this. I'm gonna see when I actually wear it if I just want the girls to sit up some more. But bras, items that require a bra are not my concern. I'm perfectly fine without wearing one. I actually enjoy not wearing one. Bras usually stab me in my side. They're never my friend, even though they're supposed to, you know, they're supposed to hold you up. But they always be stabbing me, you know. They're not real. So my concern is never, can I wear a bra with this? If I like it and I see it and I feel like my titties is gonna fit, oh, I'm gonna get it. I don't care about a bra. So that, if it bothers anyone, that's none of my business. That's none of my business, because it doesn't bother me. So single shoulder suit. Oh my God, I just love this. And the top stretches really nice as well. And it comes over my chest, so it doesn't like fly up so the girls fall out, you know what I mean? It doesn't necessarily have like the elastic band to keep it around your, what is this, underbust? Whatever that is. It just stays. It just stayed. Now we'll see when I get them moving around. Now standing still, we cool, you know, posing. We were straight. Now moving around, walking around on the little resort, which is where I plan to wear this. I'm gonna have to do some tests before that, because we can't be having the girls falling out now. Next set is this lavender set. Simple, plain, two-piece set. Tank and long biker shorts. Lavender. And it's just a simple spaghetti strap crop top, lavender. It's taking the color out of focus on the thing. You'll see it in a second. And biker shorts, matching biker shorts. They're thick like cotton material. The thing I don't like about the shorts, well, it's not that I don't like, because I really am probably just gonna cut it off. They're longer than I thought. Like on the model on Fashion Nova, it comes above her knee, which is, you know, the normal length of a biker short. But on me, I don't know if I'm just short. I mean, I am just short. I'm only 5'3", but it comes like below my knee, so it kind of like a little further below my knee than I would like. So it kind of looks like a capri set. So I'm either going to cut them and re-sew the hem or fold them up, because they're longer than I would like. But it's really comfortable. The top fits nice. The top actually comes down longer than I thought. I don't know if it's because it's a 1X or if that's just how it's made, but it definitely, on me, this actually looks like it could be a romper, just because I don't have a torso. I don't have like that distance between my chest and where my bottom half starts. So it looks like it could be a romper. It doesn't even really crop on me, which is fine. I only be really wanting that strip of stomach showing anyway, so let me move a little bit and you'll get my little strip. Other than that, it's covered up, so we're good. Comfortable, easy peasy lemon squeezy. And that's what I really like, is comfortable, easy pieces. You know, I'll do the sleigh every now and again. The sleigh is always fun, you know, playing dress up, but my go-to looks are gonna be pretty much athleisure. That's really my jam. So the last set and the last thing for this haul is the Cadet Kylie camo set. Now, I don't know what I did with the shorts. I'm slacking on my macking right now. But it has not quite biker shorts. They're a little shorter than biker shorts, but not quite coochie cutters. But anyway, it has this stretch bandeau top, and it has the same exact print on some shorter than biker shorts. Now this set is in a size extra large. Like I said, I've tried to start trying some pieces and seeing if I can fit an XL. Now the top fits fine. It holds onto the girls because it has this elastic, this stretch type deal. May have to wear a bra with it, but as of right now, I don't, and it holds it down because it has elastic in through the entire thing. The shorts, on the other hand, they're too tight. They're too small for these buns and these thighs. It definitely cuts off my circulation. So we're gonna have to work into those. this is everything in this haul. So I have plenty more coming for you. Plenty more coming for you because I just cannot stay off the site. Oh my gosh. And then they add stuff every day. And then I just discovered the back in stock tab. So now I'm shopping through that. And I'm just like, bro, can y'all chill? No. Oh, let me know in the comments though, what do y'all think about Fashion Nova men? Like, they're about to drop Fashion Nova men. How would you feel if your man came up to you and he's like, babe, I just got this from Fashion Nova? Like, how would you feel? Give me your thoughts on the new about to drop Fashion Nova men. Let me know, and let me know if you liked anything in my haul. If you did not like it, I don't care. We're here for positive vibes only. And that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you have not, make sure you subscribe and give me a like, thumbs up, appreciate it. And I will see y'all in the next one. Stay true.
I need a threesome. I'm his favorite type of chick, bougie, bad and thick. I could buy designer, but this Fashion Nova fit. Or
that ass,